This image shows a relatively simple experiment with many complex and very important ideas to grade 11 physics. It's a graph of a moving object which begins at distance 3 meters to the left of the experimenter. The object moves 9 meters to the right in 12 seconds, which we see in the red line. It stops for 3 seconds, maintaining a constant distance from the observer, which we see in the orange line. Then the object moves 6 meters to the right in 1.5 seconds, the green line, and finally 3 meters to the left in 9.0 seconds. The slope of each line is calculated. The red section we can see as having a value of 0.75 meters per second for the slope. However, instead of using the traditional delta y over delta x, from now on with a distance time graph, we'll use delta d over delta t, as the y-axis is measuring distance and the x-axis is measuring time. The slope of the second section, seen in orange, gives delta d over delta t of 0 meters per second, so that we see a horizontal line on the graph represents 0 velocity. We can also see from the first section in red that the slope there, a positive 0.75 meters per second, shows us the velocity. The slope of a distance versus time graph is the velocity of the object. In the green section, a slope is calculated, delta d over delta t, of 4 meters per second. In the blue section, a negative slope is found, negative 0.33 meters per second. This indicates that the object is actually moving backwards. Positive slopes forward, negative slopes backward. And in general, the slope of a distance versus time graph is the velocity. By comparing the values of slope, we can see that the object was moving fastest in the green section. It was moving slowest in the orange section. Don't be confused thinking that negative 0.33 is less than 0. The negative here simply means direction.